Good evening. Welcome to the KVS Engineering Mechanics channel. In this video session, I would like to discuss about fundamentals of mechanics. No, that means basically I'm trying to explain this video session about what is the meaning of mechanics and what are the applications of this mechanics, laws of mechanics. So basically, mechanics is related to the dynamical behavior of an object when it is disturbed. Dynamic behavior of a body or an object when it is subjected to disturbance. Okay. So here we are seeing this particular mechanics in three scales. One is universal scale. Another one is macro level scale and micro level. Universal scale means what? Sun, Moon, Jupiter, satellites, etc. Stars. These are comes under universal scale. For these bodies, we can apply the concepts of mechanics. That is, the size of the body is very big, and we can apply the concepts of mechanics in the universal scale. Second one is macro level. That means in this macro level, the objects which are reachable to human beings. Human beings. That means car, power plants, nuclear plants, petrochemical plants, boilers. These are under macro level. For these objects, we can use the concepts of mechanics. And basically, we are trying to use Newton's law of mechanics, Newton's law of mechanics. We are applying. Now, where is Newton's law of mechanics particularly applies for all macro level objects? We can use the Newtonian mechanics. So this is based on basically Newtonian mechanics. Means three laws of total there are 5 laws are there. In this 3 laws of first law of mechanics, second law, third law of gravitation, and parallelogram law. So these 5 laws are all can be applied to all these moving parts and stationary objects, and we can study these things in statics and dynamics. Statics and dynamics. Now, what type of laws that are applied for this universal cases, Sun, Moon, and Jupiter, and distant stars, something like that? There, Einstein in 1905 proposed a uh, what do you call Einstein theory. E is equal to mc square. That means if an object has a mass when it is traveling with speed of light. Uh, when this is with the speed of light, the mass is not going to exist. That means a mass will become normal value. So these particular equations cannot be applied to these macro level objects like car and these all use the Newtonian laws of mechanics. And these laws are a failure in case of Einstein's theory, E is equal to mc square. So the mass is basically vanishing. That means a mass of m, when it is traveling with speed of light, its mass is neglected. It is not having any mass. In micro level, we are trying to estimate the neutrons, protons, and electrons. And this is when we are dealing with this particular and when you are dealing with this particular type of atomic nature, we are going to use quantum mechanics. Here we are not bothered about the Newtonian laws of Newtonian mechanics. So this is about the mechanics. So these are the fundamentals of mechanics. You can see the fundamentals of mechanics using Einstein. The Newton is in 17th century. 17th century, the Newton proposed then three laws and laws of gravitation and other problems. And in 1905, the Einstein has invented theory of relativity. Relativity. And with the help of this concept, he estimated the distances of stars, the distance between the stars and distance between the planets and all these he estimated with that. Okay, and at the micro level, that is the latest invention of the invention of computers and telephones, and these are all the latest technology. This quantum mechanics is the base for mechanics. So this is about mechanics. So in a nutshell, the mechanics is classified into three areas. One is universal level, another is macro level, and another micro level. In the universal level, we are going to deal with the bodies like sun, moon, planets, and stars, and different number of stars, things like that. And the concept that is being used here is theory of relativity, and which is being proposed by Einstein in 1905. And he is going to equation energy is equal to mass into speed square of light. So that is about Einstein. In the macro level, the Newton proposed three laws. This is called Newtonian mechanics, and these three laws are Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law, and Newton's law of gravitation and parallelogram theory. And apart from this, before Christ, like 200 BC or something like that, Archimedes also doing concepts on mechanics. That means buoyancy of flotation and things like that. Archimedes has proposed some mechanics principles, and it is 200 BC. So this is all about the understanding of mechanics and its evolution from BC to till date. So that is what I would like to discuss in this small video session. Thank you for watching the video.